Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add Solana network to Metamask. So the first thing we want to do is to go to our browser like we have here. Make sure that you have the Metamask extension downloaded on your Chrome browser, and here we can click on it. And as you can see, we've already logged in. If you're not logged in, you have to do that. And then here we have to come over to the top left corner of our Metamask dashboard, and we're going to click on the down arrow. And here we can see Ethereum mainnet, linear mainnet, and we want to add another network. So we're going to click on add network. We will be looking for the BNBs. We will be looking for the BNB chain. And here you can see already that we have BNB chain here. Of course, you can go ahead and search for it. Alternatively, if you don't have it here, you can go ahead and search for it. So since we have it here, we're going to click on add. So we're going to click on add. We will approve of it. And now we have BNB Smart Chain added to our network. Of course, we could decide to switch to it. And here you have BNB Smart Chain along with others. So that's the first step. And of course, now we have our BNB chain here as our network, and we're currently using it. So now we have our BNB Smart Chain. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to select import tokens. For us to add Solana network, we need to look for a wrapped Solana. In order for us to do that, we need to go to CoinMarketCap. And here in CoinMarketCap, we can search for wrapped Solana. Here in the search bar, you can search for wrapped Solana. And there you have it. Of course, we're already there. We're just going to reload this page to show you. And here we have wrapped Solana. And if you've gotten to this point where you can see your wrapped Solana, the next thing we're going to do is to come over to the sidebar here where we have some details about wrapped Solana. We will be looking for the contract area here. And then we're going to click on more. Now under more, you can see some other details here. And there we have BNB Smart Chain BEP20. And you see it's compatible with Trust Wallet and with Metamask. Of course, we want to copy this to the clipboard. And we're going to click on copy. As you can see here, it's copied. And we're going to go back to our Metamask and paste the contract address. And once you paste the contract address, you can see the token symbol and the token decimal is automatically populated here in the form. And we're going to click on next. And here it's asking you if you would like to import this token. As you can see, this is Solana. And of course, this is what we want to do. So we're going to click on import. And there we have Solana network in our Metamask. So this is how to add Solana network to Metamask.